Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Yancy and this is my garden. Got the bird netting around the cassava plant as well. I just decided to put it all around everywhere because these squirrels do not be playing. So everything is protected now. And I went ahead and decided to plant the cassava root that I thought was dead. I decided to just put it in the ground and see what happens. So if it happens, it happens, but we're all protected, y'all. We're all protected. So I'm about to go and put some more soil and fertilizer in the corn because after the storm, it just knocked everything over. So I'm about to just go mix some fertilizer with soil and then add it to the corn so it could help cover some of the roots that's exposed and hopefully allow me to use some corn this summer. The fertilizer I'll be using today is chicken poop. So I have a neighbor that gave me like a huge bag of their chicken waste from their chicken coop, and it's mixed with some straw or some wood shavings that they let their chickens sleep on, and they give me like a whole trash bag of it. If you don't know, chicken poop is a great fertilizer, especially for corn. Normally what I do is put it in a bucket and add like a lot of water to it and let it sit for like a week and then use it as fertilizer for all of my plants. But today I'm going to be mixing it directly with the soil and then putting it on top of the corn. It shouldn't burn the corn because the corn like really eats a lot of fertilizer. So let's get it started.
One look and I breathe.
Guys, this is the reason why I need to add more soil in here after the storm. You can see right here that the root right here is exposed and they've been struggling I want to add more soil, at least till it comes like, you know, all the way up here. And hopefully it helps the corn do its thing, because as you can see, we have some corn shooting up and trying to do its thing. Yes, y'all. Let's get this done.
Martha Lorraine's signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin-loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new bestie.